Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Uh, Tree structures, hierarchy diagrams, organizational charts, basically any chart with branches. From now on, you can turn all of this into professional visual in just few seconds using nothing but ChatGPT. Let me show you exactly how. Method 1. Let the AI do the research. You have got two options here. In first method, the AI does all the research and gathers the information for you. This works best for general knowledge topics or anytime you want to explain something clearly to your audience. First, open the ChatGPT on your browser. Run the prompt shown on the screen exactly as shown. Inside the brackets, enter your topic and specify who your audience is. The more specific you are, the better your final result will be. For example, instead of simply typing Roman Empire, try something like Roman Army and Navy after 900 AD, including elite unit and the command structure. The extra detail gives ChatGPT much more to work with. Once it generates the output, read through it carefully. If anything looks off or inaccurate, ask the AI to correct it before moving to the next step. Now, in the same chat, run the second prompt. Here's where you pick your icon style: cartoon, doodle, sketch, 3D, clay, pixar, and more, all on the table. For example, let's go with isometric. Before you run the prompt, make sure the create image is turned on. Give it a few seconds, and there it is, a clean, polished result. The branches are crisp, and the icons looks exactly the way you want it. Not loving the icon style, just swipe it and run the prompt again, and it only takes second. Want something other than the default cream background? Run the third prompt and simply swipe in your preferred color 1 or 2, and there it is, even better than before. Method 2. Use your own data. But what if you already have information you need? That's where method 2 comes in. Perfect for real world files like documents, reports, or meeting notes. Here is the process. Upload the file you want to turn into a tree diagram. Run the prompt shown on the screen. Note, this prompt is different from the one we used, method 1. Once the AI finishes analyzing your file, run the same second prompt from your method 1. Pick it your icon style again. This time let's try 3D clay. Just like that, your diagram is ready. Think about how much time this saves you, and it's not just for topic like this. It works just as well for YouTube script and any kind of information content. As always, you will find very prompt linked in the pinned comment below. Drop a like and leave a comment. It genuinely helps the channel grow. If your job involves explaining things to others, onboarding new hires, walking clients through a process, or teaching students, this is one of the fastest way to turn complex information into something instantly easy to understand. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.